Yo guys, it's Dami, and in this video we have this AirPod Max and Starlight with USB-C from DHgate. So let's get right into the unboxing. When you get these AirPod Maxes, they would come with the ear cup protectors like the originals would. Right after that, you upgrade with the AirPod Maxes themselves. We're gonna put that to the side. Now we have the December app in California paperwork and the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, but these are not braided as they are not the metal version. In the carrying case, as you can see, it has the December app in California but assembled in Vietnam, and the inside still feels soft like the originals. One thing I like to point out is that the ear cups on these are removable or interchangeable with the originals or after party versions. So yeah, that's a nice touch. When it comes to connecting, it's easy. Take out the carrying case, you connect it, you hold down the button, and it is connected to your phone. In the settings page or the Bluetooth page of these AirPod Maxes, sorry guys, we have ANC and transparency. Some do come with limited warranty or they come with Apple Care, but these ones were just expired on mine, sadly. But again, sound quality on these were actually amazing. I love how flexible they are, and yeah, that is a USB-C charging port and the indication light as well. And when it comes to the crown controls, it does work like, next song, previous song, volume up and down, and so forth. I did try transparency and ANC. I would say that they actually work flawlessly. On noise cancellation, you couldn't hear anything once you get that perfect seal. But I'm going to show you guys how to get these and how to buy them. You're going to click the link tree, and it's going to be the AirPod Max from Air Max 01, and these would take about roughly a week and a half to get to you. The one I got here was just for AirPod Max with ANC or best ANC, but they do have metal versions, and when you use my link you would get a cheaper amount or discount. Normally they're like 170 in Canadian, but you're able to get it for 157 using my links. And once you get them, they take about a week and a half. But if you're in anywhere else around the world, ship from China. If you're in the United States, ship from the United States, as you get it within about 5 business days. So with all that being said, hope you guys did like the video. Ask me any questions, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.